Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about consistency. Consistency creates results. Consistency beats effort every single day. Effort without routine fades. Routine without purpose beats results. Consistency links today to tomorrow. It turns small actions into achievement. Skipping once is human. Skipping often is choice. Daily commitment compounds. Slow growth today prevents failure tomorrow. If you are young, start early. Repeat useful habits. Track progress. Refine methods. Consistency is your advantage. 10 minutes daily of reading, practice or creation beats a single long session once a week. Stay consistent. Trust the process. Results will follow. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.